Syncing keyboard shortcuts on Linux is a fairly simple process and only requires a few commands. Why would you sync keyboard shortcuts? There are probably a few reasons, but the reason I do it is because I have two computers and I don't want to set up the same keyboard shortcuts twice. Please note that this is a one-way sync rather than bidirectional. First, copy the command shown here and also shown in the description. Be sure to replace the Nextcloud directory with the cloud storage service that you use on your computer. For example, Dropbox, Mega, Google Drive, same thing. Next, open a terminal. Type in cron-e then press enter. Type in the character shown here to export the keyboard shortcuts once an hour. Now paste the command. Press Ctrl O then press enter. Now press Ctrl X. Now go to your second computer that you want to import the keyboard shortcuts onto. Go through the same process, this time copying the second command shown in the description. Again, replacing the Nextcloud directory with the directory that makes sense for you. This command will also run once an hour, this time importing the keyboard shortcuts. And that's all there is to it. Your keyboard shortcuts should now be synced from one computer to the other.